Hello guys, um, I, I am on Roblox right now, Roblox Studio, and I am going to show you how to make a low poly terrain. So first you just need to go to your Roblox. So first you just need to go to Develop and Plugins. Then you have to look up low poly terrain creator. Then there. So then once you go there, you'll see where is it? Oh, here it is. Low poly terrain creator. So you're just gonna click that, and then you're going to just install it. I've already installed it, so I don't need to. And then you're gonna go right here, and then once you go up here to plugins, you're gonna see that you download it right here. Then you're gonna go click low poly terrain creator. You could choose the color of it. Usually it's light green, so I choose that. I usually do 0.1 in size 20 times 20. Then generate that terrain. So you're going to be asking, once you've done that, why are these tiny little bricks here? So I'm going to answer that question for you. So you just gotta, so you see that arrow key, you just have to put one of them up like that, and then look at that. Done. I usually did mine the whole one, but somehow my game stopped. See? Wait for program to respond. Okay, so now we just do the same for the rest of the other ones. I already have one of them done right now, but my game somehow just stopped. It's probably because once you get done with it, the low poly is pretty good kind of like come on, it's like a big part, and it makes it kind of a little slower, so beware of that. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this and that and that. So now once you've completed your terrain, your low poly terrain, and decided you're done with it for right now, you just click finish, and then those wedges will go away. See? Now, as you guys could see, if you don't want the brown part, which is the base plate, you just go and delete that, and then the nice poly place is all yours now, and so you won't fall on the air, okay, so it's anchored, so this won't fall down. And there's a spawn that you can put there. Okay, and if you want to add some items, just go to low poly. Look up that on right here. It'll have a lot of low poly stuff, like an apple. You could put that into the starter pack, and then go to the home place. Click play. Hurry up. Okay. I usually use and log in as a lot of different accounts. So, and this is just like a low poly. Pretty nice, huh? And then just enjoy your time. If you want to learn more, just if you just want this, you could stop watching right now. But if you want to learn the full thing and stuff and whatever like that and stuff, finish the whole thing. So to make a town, if you want to make a town, go to plugins right here, and there's a fence right there. You see, okay, so wait. So I went into my inventory to find this, and then go to fence creator, or this you could just, that's easy. And this one actually sucks, so don't do that one. And that one does too, and that one, so don't download those 3 ones. So you could download any of the other ones if you want, but go to Fence Creator and download that. So and then once you have it downloaded, click Fence, and it's a pretty cool one. It's really cool. So just go anywhere, put it right there, and then click another place. Isn't that cool? It's pretty cool. And yeah, and once you downloaded the other ones, you place the tree generator or whatever. You just leave it like that, and then look, a super neat tree that looks actually like a lopoly. Anyway, like this is also a lopoly because it looks 3D, like in different colors or shades or whatever, you know. And there's a lot. There's actually a lot. Like that or whatever. So basically that's kind of what I've been working on lately, a lopoly place or whatever. It's actually really harder than you think it is. So I just need to make this a little smaller, or I should just move it over here. Okay. So if you wanted to make a game or whatever, it's actually really hard. So just watch my tutorials, and pretty new to YouTube, but I've got like several different channels. So basically on this channel is just new to YouTube, not me though. Okay, you could just add different stuff. That like that or whatever. Oh my gosh, stop it. So if you've made a lopoly land and you're trying to get something else, it always does this. I don't know why. Come on, stop it. It's always what it does. Next time I should make a bigger one instead of a 20 times 20. Yup. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's so annoying. Anyway, if you wanna make a little pond, go to a place that you haven't made those lumpy stuff or whatever, and go to paint. If you want to make a little pond right there, go to water and just wait. What the? I don't see no water. Oh. Since it's not Roblox made, you just gotta subtract. What? What the hell? What the hell is going on? You know what? No. You know what? Just go right here instead, because if it's not Roblox made, you can't really make a pond. So just look up a pond or whatever. I don't want to do this. Now you can test your place and click play. Okay, sometimes, wait, what the, oh, anyway. So you could just enjoy your place, and pretty cool, right? This is what your own thing, no, I forgot what I was gonna say, but whatever. It's pretty cool, isn't it? It's like I like the low poly the best. I don't know why, even though there's neater ones, but whatever. So enjoy, and hope you enjoyed the video. Share, like, subscribe, and comment on this video. See you on my next video. Bye, guys.